Hey everyone, this is Rasmus from rasmushelp.com and welcome to my quick video tutorial where I'm going to show you how to create an invoice for a client. And in this video tutorial, I'm actually going to show you a QuickBooks and FreshBooks alternative to create your invoices for your clients, because these typical services are going to cost you a monthly fee and I don't want you to have to pay for that. So I'm going to reveal to you a new software that can actually do this, where you can get access to it for a low one-time fee, and then you'll never have to pay again to create unlimited invoices for your clients. So let's jump in and see. And before we actually go into me showing you how this actually works, I want to show you a little bit about why you shouldn't take these other services. Because you can see here, QuickBooks is going to be $12.50 per month for the lowest plan that they have. But easily you can come up and pay $40 per month or even $90 per month. And this is only the price if you pay 3 months upfront. If you only pay per month, you're actually going to have to pay $25 for the lowest price per month. Let's go over and see FreshBooks instead. It is pretty much the same here. Both of these software are highly recommended. I've been using both of these at some point or another point in my business, but I'm never going to use them again because I now have access to this new software called AgencyScale. And let me just quickly show here. Okay, so FreshBooks, you can actually get that a little cheaper. If you only have 5 clients, then you can get it for just $15 per month. But as soon as you get more than 5 clients, you'll have to pay $25 per month. And the software that I'm going to show you, called AgencyScale, right now you can get that for just $37 one-time fee. And I actually have a coupon for you, so you can get it for just $35. So that's just 1 month payment if you have more than 6 clients. And with AgencyScale, you can have unlimited clients inside of the software. So let's jump in and see how easy it is to create your invoice with AgencyScale. And now I'm inside of the software AgencyScale, and you can see here that on the left here we have this menu where I have the main dashboard, the project dashboard, client dashboard, HR dashboard, ticket dashboard, and finance dashboard. Because this software can do much more than just creating invoices. It's actually a full-blown customer relationship management system, or CRM system, that ensures that no one is going to fall through the cracks, that you are going to grow your agency or service business rapidly, and that you are converting your prospects into clients and making sure that communication is good and nothing falls through the cracks. So let's go in and see a little bit more about what you can actually do in here. And one of the super cool things is that it actually comes with a client finder too. So you can actually go in and find 200 new leads every day within the software. And if you decide to purchase any of the upsells to AgencyScale, you can get this to unlimited. But as the front end version is, you can actually get 200 fresh leads every day. So this is another big selling point for AgencyScale, which you won't be able to find in FreshBooks or QuickBooks or any of these other softwares that is out there on the market. So let's jump in and see a little bit more about what you can actually do with this system before we create the invoice. And like I said here, you have the leads, you have your clients, where you have a complete management system of your clients and your leads. You have the HR, where you can do everything about your own business with your employees, your department, designations, even holidays and so on. Then you have the work, and here you can set up contracts, you can create projects, tasks. You have a task board, task calendar, and time logs. And now we go to finance, and this is where you want to be if you want to create your invoices. But before you actually create an invoice to your client, maybe you should think about sending them an estimate first. Because an invoice is after you're done negotiating and everything, and you know exactly how much something is going to cost, and you are ready to take the payments from your client. So if you're not ready yet, you're still in the negotiation phase, or you are giving them a suggestion for the service that you can provide, then I will start with an estimate, and else you go into invoices here. And inside of invoices, you can see here first we have the filtering result here. So if we have a lot of invoices, we can filter through here from date, from project, from status, and from the different clients. So we have a great overview over here. But when you want to create the invoice, you just go up here, click on Add Invoice, and then we are starting to create this invoice. Then we can put it together with a project. Let's just take our test project here, and this is to this company called Test Company, and else we could have put that in here. Then we put the invoice date, the due date, and the currency. Then we can either show shipping address or not. Then we can add some products down here, and in here I've already created this create service, so let's just add that one as for an example here. But you could also just put anything inside of the item here, put the quantity, the unit price, and the tax and everything, but let's just remove this for the purpose of this video. Then here you can add multiple different tax settings. Let's just put it at 20%, and then we can add more items if we wanted to. We can add some notes here to go to the, let's just put in, this is a note for the client, and then we can click on save, and then we can either save it as it is, we can save it as a draft, or we can save it and send it directly to the client from this system. Then it's going to take care of everything. I'm of course not going to send this to any clients. Let's just click on save here and see what it looks like from now on. And now you can see we created this one up here. And now we can either download it, we can send it, we can edit it, we can add a payment. So if we get a manual payment, we can put it in here. We can add shipping address, we can delete it, we can get the payment link, we can add a credit note, and we can set a payment reminder. So let's just see what this actually looks like. So let's go to the payment link, and this is the invoice. And one of the super cool things about AgencyScale is that you can add online payments to these invoices as well. This haven't been set up on this account here yet, but you just would have to go in here and then go down here to your settings, and then we can go into our payment settings here, payment credentials, and then you can see we can set up PayPal, Stripe, Razorpay, Paystack, Molly, Authorize.net, and PayFast. And as soon as this is set up, by just putting in the credentials here from your account inside of PayPal or Stripe and so on, then this will come in on this page here, and then they can just pay online as soon as you send this to them. And like I showed you before, you can actually send this directly from inside of the system when you are saving it. You could also send it after you created it like I did here. Let's go back into the finance section and to the invoices here. So you can see here we could send it up here, and then we can send it directly to the email we put onto this client here. So the system actually takes care of everything. If they pay online, it's automatically going to come into payments here, and if they are making like a bank transfer or some other form of manual payment, then you would just add the payment yourself that you can do inside of payments here, or to add payment here. So this is how easy it is to create an invoice for your client. And before we end this video, I just want to talk to you a little bit about the special bonus deal I have right now for AgencyScale, because I created a full review and demo video of AgencyScale, and included in this promotions that I made here that is available for the next 3 days, where you can get this special launch price of AgencyScale of just $35 with my special discount. You are on top of that also gonna get a ton of custom bonuses. And you can see here, when you use this coupon code here, Go Agency, you can get it for just $35. And on top of this, you're gonna get all of my custom bonuses. This includes a complete walkthrough of the system where I show you all of the different features inside, gives you tips and tricks on how to boost your results. I'm also going to give you a ton of other bonuses that I don't want to go too much into in this tutorial here, because I want to focus on this invoice, and many of my bonuses is related to all the other things that you get inside of AgencyScale, because it also comes with a ton of other features like I showed you. But what is more important is that it has these blueprints up here. And in here, you will learn how to make money with the software that you already own. So for example, if you already have ClickDesigns, then you will learn here how to provide services from ClickDesigns to customers. So you can provide graphic design tasks and provide these high value services with just a few clicks from within the software. The same would be with Create. For example, here you could provide content writing services to clients with just a few clicks. inside of the software because you have the AI powered engine to write this content for you. So just to sum this up, you are going to get all of these bonuses here completely free of charge. And you can just pause this video and read through this. I'm not going to go through each of them. And I'm also going to explain about all of these bonuses in my review video at the top of this page. So all of these bonuses are going to be yours completely free of charge if you pick up AgencyScale through my link. And it's only through my link. And the way that you do this is by clicking the link in the description below. Then you will get to this bonus and review page, and up here you can of course watch my full review of AgencyScale. So I hope that you are gonna take action on the things that you learned inside of this video tutorial here, and I hope that I've given you some inspiration for some alternative software solution to FreshBooks and QuickBooks, so you can stop paying these high monthly fees and get started creating unlimited invoices for just a low one-time fee. So that brings me to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial, how to create an invoice for a client, and the QuickBooks and FreshBooks alternatives to creating invoices for your clients. I'll speak to you on the next one. Take care and bye-bye.